Okay, next we are going to study the color code of carbon resistor. This is the diagrammatic representation of how the carbon resistors will be seen. Okay, here the first digit represents the first band, that is the second digit, second band, and the third one is the multiplier. The third band, it represents the multiplier in the power of 10, and the fourth one is the tolerance. What is color code means? It is nothing but a set of coaxial colored rings, we can say a set of coaxial colored rings found on the body of resistor, found on the body of resistor. Okay, that is called as the color code, we can say, or we can say the resistance of resistors. The resistance of resistors and its percentage accuracy, is determined by using the significance of colored rings following a code, called as color code. In examination you will be asked to write the color code. For particular code you will be given the three colors, and the last one will be either the gold, silver, or it will be of no color. What is a color code means? It is nothing but a set of coaxial colored rings found on the body of resistor. That is called as the color code. Or using this color code, we can determine the percentage accuracy of the resistors in a given resistance. That is the use of the color code. So this will be the table to represent the color codes. First one is the black. For the first band and second band, it will be the value 0. Multiplier value will be 10 raised to 0. Black, then we are having the brown, it is 1, that is 10 raised to 1 is the multiplier value. Then we are having the red color, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, and white. All these will be having the values 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In the multiplier value, they will be having 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 4 for yellow, 10 raised to 5 for green, 10 raised to 6 for the blue, and 10 raised to 7 for violet, 10 raised to 8 for grey, and 10 raised to 9 for multiplier value of the white color. So you can also write the gold is having plus or minus 5%, silver is having the value plus or minus 10%, and for no color we are having plus or minus 20% is the percentage here. Okay, this is the formula to remember how the color code can be written. B.B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife, that is black, brown, red red, yellow, orange, yellow, and green. Then we are having blue, okay, blue. After that we are having violet color, and green, and the last one is white, okay, white. Further also you can remember this one as the gold silver, wearing gold silver necklace. Wearing a gold silver necklace means gold plus or minus 5%, silver it is plus or minus 10%, no more colors, that is equal to plus or minus 20%. Suppose you are given the color code, to write the color code you will be asked to in the exam, like write the color code of 4.7 ohm. This is how we will be asked. How you have to write is, the given value is R is equal to 4.7 ohm. Then it is nothing but in the form of 4.7 into 10 raised to 1 ohm, 10 raised to minus 1 ohm. That is 4 is nothing but the yellow color. Then 7th one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So 4th one is nothing but the yellow color. Yellow. Then violet, yellow, violet. Then it will be gold. This is how you have to write the color code for 1 mark. Let us see another example for this one. A carbon resistor has brown, black, red, silver sequence. Okay, you have to write the resistance value of this one. How will you write? For brown it is 1, and for black it is 0. In the first band and the second band you have the values already. I have given you the table. Verify using that table. Okay. Then we are having red. The multiplier value of this one is 10 raised to 2, and silver is nothing but plus or minus 10%. Right. It becomes R is equal to 10 into 10 raised to 2 plus or minus 10%. Okay. 10 into 10 raised to 2 means it becomes 100. That is equal to 10 into 100 is nothing but 1000 ohm plus or minus 100 ohm, plus or minus 10%, or we can write this one as plus or minus 100 ohm. This is how you have to write the color code for a given resistor, and also you can write the resistance value when you are given already the R value here. R value is given, you can write the color code, or you can write the resistance using the color code. Both the conversions you should remember. Either of these will be asked for the examination. Not necessary the numerical values will be same, but using the chart I have given, you should be able to write the first band value, second band value, the multiplier value, and the gold, silver or no color percentage. Using that we can write the resistance. Okay. And whoever is watching the videos, if you understand my teaching, then please subscribe to my channel, like the videos and share with your friends. If you are having any queries or doubts regarding the syllabus, you can be asking in the comment section below. Okay, thank you.